as I've said before. So, as I've said before, can come across as being, you weren't paying attention, were you, the first time I said it to you? And I'm a little bit frustrated by that. Um, I think it's best not to use that expression. It's probably better to say something along the lines of, before we go into this in any more detail, I would just like to clarify a few points. You don't need to mention the fact that you've done that previously because you're just annoying the other person, frustrating them,